Small businesses face unique challenges when it comes to protecting assets, ensuring accurate financial reporting, and preventing fraud. Implementing internal controls, simple policies and procedures can make a big difference. In this video, we'll explain essential internal controls every small business should consider and show practical steps you can take right away. Start with clear responsibilities. Assigning specific tasks for ordering, receiving, recording, and approving transactions reduces errors and creates accountability. Whenever possible, separate duties so one person does not control multiple parts of a transaction. If full segregation isn't feasible, add compensating controls such as supervisory reviews or periodic independent checks. Protect cash carefully. Cash is especially vulnerable, so require deposits daily, limit access to cash registers and safes, and use pre-numbered receipts. Reconcile bank statements monthly using an independent person or an outside service. Consider a lockbox arrangement with your bank for customer payments to reduce handling. Control purchasing and vendor payments. Establish approved vendor lists. Require purchase orders for significant buys, and mandate dual approvals for large or unusual expenditures. Match invoices to purchase orders and receiving reports before authorizing payment to ensure you pay only for goods and services received. Monitor payroll and timekeeping. Use reliable time tracking and payroll software, verify new hires and changes, and require manager approval for overtime. Regularly review payroll reports for anomalies, duplicate payments, or ghost employees. Secure assets and records. Store physical assets and sensitive documents in locked areas. Maintain backup copies of critical data and limit access to accounting systems on job roles. Use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and keep software up to date to reduce cyber risk. Implement regular reconciliations and audits. Reconcile inventory, receivables, and payables on a set schedule. Periodic internal or external reviews help detect issues early and strengthen controls over time. Foster an ethical culture. Create written policies, provide employee training, and encourage anonymous reporting of concerns. Management should model integrity and respond promptly to irregularities. Internal controls don't have to be complex or expensive. Small, disciplined steps protect your business and build trust with customers, vendors, and lenders. Start with one change today and measure how it improves accuracy and reduces risk. If you're unsure where to begin, start with a basic risk assessment and consult your accountant or a trusted advisor. Small improvements now can prevent costly problems later and support sustainable growth for long-term success and resilience.